Daily Beauty Routine for Healthy, Radiant Skin. A comprehensive guide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a comprehensive daily beauty routine for achieving healthy, radiant skin. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, this guide will provide you with all the steps and tips you need to keep your skin glowing. Let's get started. Make sure you watch till the end to get all the tips. Morning Routine. 1. Start with a cleanser. Begin your day by cleansing your face to remove any impurities that have accumulated overnight. Choose a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type. How to use. Apply the cleanser to damp skin. Massage gently in circular motions and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Product recommendation. Look for sulfate-free cleansers with natural ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. 2. Toner time. Toners help to balance your skin's pH and prepare it for the next steps in your routine. They can also remove any residual impurities left after cleansing. How to use. Apply a few drops of toner to a cotton pad and swipe it over your face or pat it directly onto your skin with your hands. Product recommendation. Opt for alcohol-free toners with soothing ingredients like witch hazel or rose water. 3. Apply serum. Serums are concentrated formulas packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns such as hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. How to use. Apply a few drops of serum to your face and neck, gently pressing it into your skin. Product recommendation. Choose a serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening, or peptides for anti-aging. 4. Moisturize. Moisturizing is crucial to keep your skin hydrated and to create a protective barrier against environmental pollutants. How to use. Apply a moisturizer that suits your skin type, gently massaging it into your face and neck. Product recommendation. For oily skin, use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. For dry skin, opt for a richer, cream-based formula. 5. Sunscreen is a must. Sun protection is essential to prevent premature aging and skin cancer. Make sure to apply sunscreen every morning, even on cloudy days. How to use. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to your face and any exposed skin. Product recommendation. Look for sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for natural, non-toxic protection. Evening Routine. 1. Remove makeup. Always remove your makeup before bed to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. Use a gentle makeup remover or micellar water. How to use. Soak a cotton pad with makeup remover and gently wipe away all traces of makeup. Product recommendation. Micellar water is great for all skin types and is effective at removing even waterproof makeup. 2. Cleanse again. Just like in the morning, cleanse your face to remove any remaining impurities and makeup residue. How to use. Follow the same cleansing method as your morning routine. Product recommendation. You can use the same cleanser as in the morning or opt for a different one if you prefer. 3. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing fresher, brighter skin. However, avoid over-exfoliating as it can irritate your skin. How to use. Apply an exfoliant to your skin, gently massaging in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Product recommendation. Choose a gentle exfoliant with natural ingredients like jojoba beads or fruit enzymes. 4. Tone again. Apply toner to ensure your skin is balanced and prepped for the next steps. How to use. Use the same method as in your morning routine. Product recommendation. Stick to your alcohol-free toner for consistent results. 5. Apply night serum. Night serums are formulated to work with your skin's natural repair processes that occur while you sleep. How to use. Apply a few drops of night serum to your face and neck, pressing it gently into your skin. Product recommendation. Look for ingredients like retinol for anti-aging, niacinamide for brightening, or squalane for hydration. 6. Moisturize with a night cream. Night creams are richer than day moisturizers, providing intense hydration and repair while you sleep. How to use. Apply a night cream to your face and neck, gently massaging it in. Product recommendation. Opt for a night cream with ingredients like peptides, ceramides, or hyaluronic acid. Weekly treatments. 1. Face masks, 1 to 2 times a week. Face masks can address specific skin concerns, and provide an extra boost of hydration or detoxification. How to use. Apply a face mask to clean, dry skin and leave it on for the recommended time. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Product recommendation. For dry skin, use a hydrating mask with ingredients like honey or avocado. For oily skin, use a clay mask with ingredients like bentonite or charcoal. 2. Facial massage. Facial massages can boost circulation, reduce puffiness, and promote relaxation. How to use. Use your fingers or a facial roller to gently massage your face in upward, circular motions. Product recommendation. Use a facial oil or serum to help the massage tool glide smoothly over your skin. Lifestyle tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Tip. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Consider drinking herbal teas or eating water-rich fruits and vegetables like cucumber and watermelon. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Your diet has a significant impact on your skin. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Tip. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, such as berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fish. 3. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Tip. Develop a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. 4. Manage stress. Stress can take a toll on your skin, so find ways to relax and unwind. Tip. Practice stress relief techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Engage in activities you enjoy, like reading, painting, or spending time with loved ones. 5. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity boosts circulation and promotes healthy skin. Tip. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or dancing are great options. Conclusion. Let's recap the steps for a daily beauty routine for healthy, radiant skin. 1. Morning routine. Cleanse, tone, apply serum, moisturize, and protect with sunscreen. 2. Evening routine. Remove makeup, cleanse, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Tone, apply night serum, and moisturize with a night cream. 3. Weekly treatments. Use face masks and practice facial massage. 4. Lifestyle tips. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, manage stress, and exercise regularly. By following this comprehensive routine and making healthy lifestyle choices, you'll achieve glowing, radiant skin. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Leave your questions and comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.